Hi, and welcome to this video on how to make your browser speak in 5 minutes or less. Let's just make it speak so that we have it covered. I'm going to paste here some code, and if you listen,
Subscribe to Rester Test.
yeah, please subscribe. But jokes aside, we're going to build a small application with an input, and you enter the text and click on a button, and then the browser will speak. So let's get started. We'll make it really fast, and then we'll make it step by step. So let's just add here two divs. And in the first div, we're going to make our input. And it's going to be of type text. I'm going to give it an ID of, I don't know, input ID. And let's add the placeholder, add text here. And we're done with that. And let's see here. Let's just add a button. In the button, we're going to do so click me for voices. Yeah. And the button, yeah, type to be of type button. And let's going to add placeholder for a function make audio. Let's just run this to see how it looks. Looks nice. Doesn't do anything. Okay, we still have a couple of minutes. Perfect. So here, let's add a script. And in the script, let's add a function. The function is going to be make audio. You guessed it. Oops. The function is make audio. And in there, we're going to define our code to make this thing speak. So first thing, let's get our message. This is document dot get element by ID and the input here, and we're going to get its value. Okay, then we're going to instantiate the library that allows us to actually make the speaking. Speech, going to be new speech. Let's just paste it, and then let's do window dot speech synthesis dot speech, and we're going to give it the message. Let's hope this works. Didn't work. Okay, let's see why it didn't work. Because here we need speak and not speech. And do it now. Still didn't work. Yay! Okay, because here we need to say that the text is actually the message. And let's try it then. Oh, okay, my bad. So here we need speech and not text. Sorry, not message, since we're using that speech. Okay, but let's add something else. So we can add volume. No, get a 4, and let's add pitch. Make it a 2, and Let's run it. We're under 5 minutes.
Test.
Yes. So achievement unlocked. We did it under 5 minutes. Sorry, it's a little bit stressful when you have to do it like that. Now we can actually spend some minutes or a couple of seconds to discuss this. So what do? We get the value what we input. We then instantiate this speech synthesis utterance, and then we tell it which is a text. So that's the message. And like I said, there are a couple of options here. So if I do, I don't know, 55 for a pitch, let's say fast,
Fast.
and then let's do, I don't know, 0.1 or 0.2.
Fast.
It's different. And let's see if this works.
Test.
Okay, then let's try something really small.
Test.
Okay, so the details of the values for pitch, for example, are here, and 2 seems to be the highest. Okay, so I played around with something more. You have definitely, okay, we have voice. Ooh, we can do different things. What's important before I close this video, all of, or not all of the properties of this library work on all of the browsers. They do work in Chrome, as you've seen, but if you're not sure, just check the browser compatibility at the end of each method. And based on that, you can decide if you want to use it or not use it in your projects. Thank you for watching this video. This was 5 or how to make your browser talk in 5 minutes or less. We did achieve that in less than 5 minutes, and hope you're going to tune into the next one. It's going to be even more interesting. Thank you and have a good one.